What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now, summing up the staircases. I got my holes punched in. I got the inside of it welded down and cleaned up. So tomorrow I'll probably go back over it, look at it, make sure everything is done again. Like give it the final look over. You know what I mean? Make sure I got all the BBs off and stuff like that, and then I get it prepared to paint it. So tomorrow, that's my goal, is to paint it. So I want to make sure everything is good on it, you know, and paint it up. So one good thing though that I do like about this fabrication, as far as when you're doing your own products, you know exactly what it takes to get it done. So you don't have to overdo anything. I have seen many shops overdo something, spend too much time on something that really wasn't that critical. So when you're building your fabrication, just keep that in mind. HogOn.